Morning, Rob Little here. This video is going out to a handful of select people who have been working with me on the Lippert Slim Rail or Rack Repair Kit. What you see in front of you is a brand new design. As promised, I've been working on a couple improvements. The number one improvement is this design makes it so you do not have to cut the tip of the rail off. Unless it broke off and then you're back to the repair kit because you have to replace the end of that rail with something. But the new design is a heavy duty bolt-on upgrade. You take off what you got and you bolt this on, and you can see probably the first big feature is the pin is gone. That stainless steel pin, the thing that bends, is kind of the weak point, the next weak point in the system. Let's go back to the original design. You remember the stainless steel pin that ran through here. That has been eliminated. And let me show you what we did. It is now incorporated into the block. And this block is actually smaller because, well, we're catching still 3 teeth on the end here, but because it bolts right on, you can still see the end of your reel is right there. So it's going to be super strong, and you can see the next cool feature hiding there in the background, these stainless steel springs. Let me show you where those mount. They go right onto the reinforcement block on here. And what this does is it keeps your rail from slapping against the slide. It puts a constant pressure on it. Well, hopefully it does. We're going to test this. And it allows, of course, the springs are going to compress as you open and close the slide. It'll keep the rail in contact with the teeth, and it'll allow clearance and tolerance and all that kind of stuff. But hopefully that'll eliminate the slapping of these rails, as it'll keep it away from the slide and keep some tension on it. So this part right here is going to be made by out of hardened stainless steel. It's going to be super strong. It's going to never rust. It's going to be a real premium part. It'll last longer than the RV will. And then the end part that it actually mates to, this again will be made out of aerospace aluminum, but I'm going to hard anodize this. That way all the parts will never wear out. And you can see a captive pin like this, or a captive tab, is much stronger than a hole going through a piece of aluminum, or especially a piece of plastic like the original design. So I wanted to share that with you. You can see it's got lots of room for the tolerance as the system and the rack operates properly. It moves inside of here. And let me turn on our, you can see the travel. It travels inside of that channel as your rail opens and closes. So anyways, wanted to share this brand new design with you. I'm going to prototype it. I'm going to put it on mine. I'm going to test with it. And attached to this email, I'll give you guys a code that'll basically sell it to you at cost. That way you can try it out and see if it works. I've already winterized my RV here in Virginia for the season. Hopefully some of you guys maybe on the West Coast or Arizona and Florida still have got a couple months left, and you can try it out and make sure that this works. So anyways, wanted to share this with you. Hope everything's going great. God bless. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.